have the quick chapter roundup of coordination compounds. Let's take an example of a coordination compound, that is dibromido bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt 3 chloride. This is some coordination compound. Since this is a coordination sphere which consists of central metal ion and the ligands, and this is a counter ion which balance the charge of the coordination sphere, and this counter ion is ionizable. So since this coordination sphere consists of central metal ion or atom and the ligands which are coordinating with this central metal ion. So since ligands are the ions or molecules which donate a pair of electrons to the central metal ion to form a coordinate bond, that's why the name is coordination compound. So here in this complex, bromide and ethane 1,2-diamine, these are the ligands. Bromide is a charged ion and ene is a neutral ion. So counter ion here is chloride, that is a ionizable. And this counter ion balance the charge on the complex sphere. Since coordination sphere की हमने बात की, this coordination sphere may be positively charged or may be negatively charged. So जो ये coordination compound हमने जो example लिया है बेटा, यहां जो आपका coordination sphere है that is a positively charged and this is a cationic complex. ऐसे coordination sphere जो positively charged है बेटा, they are said to be cationic complexes, और जिनका चार्ज क्या रहता है, नेगेटिव रहता है, उनको क्या कहते हैं हम, anionic complexes. They are said to be anionic complexes. So here this bromide ion as well as ethane 1,2-diamine, that is these are the ligands and they are coordinating with the central metal ion over here, and they are going to form coordinate bond. So number of coordinate bond here formed, that is equal to the coordination number. So here this bromide is your monodentate ligand and this ene is your bidentate ligand. So means एक molecule जो ene का बेटा, that will coordinate through the two atoms with the central metal ion. So here 2 ene will coordinate through the 4 atoms and bromide is a unidentate ligand, so that will coordinate through the 1 point. So beta total number of coordinate bond formed, that is equal to the coordination number here. So in this case, bromide ion these are the 2 over here, so unidentate है, ene जो है that is a bidentate, and these are the 2 molecules which are coordinating with the central metal ion. So beta the coordination number of this complex is 4. 2 plus 4, that is a 6. तो coordination number जो है इस coordination compound में कितना रह गया आपका बेटा, 6. Hope students this was clear. And this coordination number is deciding the geometry of this coordination compound. So that is going to give you the information of coordination polyhedra. ये कोऑर्डिनेशन पॉलीहेड्रा क्या है बच्चों? ये जो पॉलीहेड्रा दैट इज द स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ligands attached to the central metal ion in the three-dimensional space. So this special arrangement of these ligands in the three-dimensional space around the central metal ion is called coordination polyhedra. So बच्चों, यहां जो आपका ये कोबाल्ट है that is the central metal ion, and in these are the ligands which are coordinating with the central metal ion, and they are going to form coordination sphere. So coordination sphere is nothing but it consists of central metal ion and ligands which are coordinating with the central metal ion, and they are constituting your coordination sphere and may be positively charged or negatively charged. Hence they are said to be cationic complexes or anionic complexes. And here this example which we are discussing, that is a cationic complex. This is a counterion, that is a chloride, that is a ionizable part of this complex, and which balance the charge on the complex sphere. So the number of ligands which are coordinating with the central metal ion, and they are going to form the coordinate bond. So number of coordinate bonds which are getting formed with the central metal ion by the ligands, that gives the coordination number. So here coordination number in this complex is 6. So 2 bromide ions are there and 2 ethane 1,2 diamine molecules are there which is bidentate. So the coordination number of this complex is 6. Hence the geometry of this complex will be octahedral. And since this coordination number gives the information about the geometry of the molecule, or we can say coordination polyhedra. This coordination polyhedra is the spatial arrangement of the ligands around the central metal ion. And since it depends upon the number of ligands which are attached to the central metal ion, that what will be the geometry of the complex compound, or you can say coordination compound. So geometry that is decided by the coordination number. Hope this is clear.